Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair process of the Asus F515E motherboard, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and a microfiber cloth. Ensure you're working in a clean, static-free environment. First, power down the laptop and unplug all cables. Remove the battery if possible. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel, keeping track of the screws in a designated container to avoid losing any. There are typically 10 screws, so make sure you have the right size screwdriver for this task. Once the back panel is off, examine the internal components for any signs of damage or dust buildup. It's critical to maintain a clean workspace, as dust can lead to further issues down the line. To clean the motherboard, use isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to gently wipe off any debris. Be sure to let it dry completely before proceeding. Now, if you're experiencing power issues, check the power connector on the motherboard. Sometimes, these connections can become loose. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, inspect the RAM modules. To do this, simply release the clips on either side of the RAM and gently pull it out. Clean the RAM slots with compressed air to ensure a proper connection when you reinstall them. If you find that your RAM is faulty, consider replacing it. If you're not comfortable doing this, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. After checking the RAM, let's address the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Old thermal paste can lead to overheating, so it's essential to replace it. Carefully remove the heatsink by unscrewing it, then clean off the old thermal paste using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU and GPU surfaces. About the size of a pea is sufficient. Reattach the heatsink securely. Before reassembling the laptop, double-check all connections and screws. If you're unsure about any part of the process, remember we provide a quote before any repair work is done, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Reinsert the battery, plug in your laptop, and power it on. If everything is working properly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Asus F515E motherboard. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, for your convenience, we offer services that take the hassle out of repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.